Load your family into the 2007 Nissan Murano. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle excels in its class and is equipped to provide comfort, safety, and style. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as front and rear reading lights, a rear window wiper, a trip computer, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.